Question 12, exercise 6.3. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So you can see triangle ABC, triangle PQR, side AB and BC are proportional to PQ and QR and median AD is proportional to PM. So whatever is given, write it. To prove that also will write. Now see proof. So it is given that side AB and BC are proportional. So we will write that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AD upon PM. Okay, now AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians. So we can write AB upon PQ is equals to 2BT. In place of BC and QR we can write 2BT and 2QM is equals to AD upon PM. So this will give, here we can cancel this BD upon QM and AD upon PM. So here you can see that these are the sides of triangle ABD and triangle PQM. AB, PQ, BD, QM and ADPM. ADPM. These are the sides of triangle ABD and PQM. So from here we can conclude that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So we can say that angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay. So this will help us to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How? Now let us take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Two things are given to us, that this side is the ratio of this side and this side are equal. So AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. This is given to us. Okay. And just now we have proved that angle B is equals to Q. Proved above. We are using this result. B is equals to Q. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS congruency. These two triangles are similar by SSS congruency and these are similar by SAS. These two triangles are similar by SAS similarity. D is a point, question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equals to BAC. Show that CA square is equals to CB into CT. So you can see this triangle ABC. Here ADC means this angle equals to BAC, this big angle. And we have to prove that CA square is equals to CB into CD. So whatever is given and what is to be proved, that we have to write. So we'll write this now. Let us prove this. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC angle ADC equals to angle BAC. This is given to us. Angle C is equals to angle C. You can see that in both the triangle, angle C, this angle is common. Angle ABC also, and in triangle DAC also. You can see that this angle is common. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by AA similarity. Okay, so from this we can say that AB by DA is equals to BC by AC is equals to AC by DC. Okay, so here from here you can take last two ratios. So we'll take last two ratios. BC by AC is equals to AC by CD. So here we'll get CA square or AC square is equals to CB into CD. Hence proved. By cross multiplication, CA square is equals to CB into CD. Okay. Question 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Okay. Now medians is given that AD and PM are median, and the whole triangle ABC and PQR are similar to each other. Okay, this type of question we have done. Question 12 is similar to this question, but in that median was given, the ratio of median and two sides were given, and here in this question that only medians are given, and we have to prove that the sides are corresponding sides are equal. This we have to prove. So let us see how. We have to prove. Given AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR, and ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The big triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have to prove that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. This we have to prove. So first of all, ABC is similar to PQR, so let's write the side. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Okay, now we'll take these two ratios. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. In place of BC, we can write 2BD like we did in that question 12 question, and 2QM. Okay, so this will give us AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Okay, and angle B is equals to Q. We already know this because triangles are similar, so these angles will be equal. Okay, corresponding, right here, corresponding angles of similar triangles. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle PMQ by SAS similarity, by SAS similarity. Okay, side, angle and side. Here also side, angle and side. By SAS similarity, triangles are similar. So we can write that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Once the triangles are similar, you can write all corresponding sides are equal and angles are also equal. Corresponding sides of similar triangles.